In this tutorial I will show how to see send friend request on Instagram. First open your Instagram app. Next go to your Instagram profile page. Then tap on the three bars on top right. Select your activity option. Just scroll on to the bottom and tap on download your information. Select download or transfer information. Select the second option here. Now here you can select only this followers and following option. Here you can choose the format, select the media quality, and then you can select the date range. After you are done, tap on the option of submit request. Now within few days you will be getting notified by the Instagram. You have to come to this page and over here you're gonna find that file. Then you need to open that file and check the followers and following folder, and there you're gonna find send follow request. So this is how you can see send request on Instagram.